enhance and amplify your Jio Set Top Box experience, we bring to you the Jio Home mobile application. With just one app, you can transform your smartphone into a smart remote, enrich your gaming experience, share content across devices, and install and manage your device. Not being able to use or find your Jio remote can be a frustrating experience. Put your worries aside. All you need is your smartphone. And with the Jio Home app, you can convert your phone into a soft remote and navigate through the Jio Set Top Box using convenient keys and functions. Well, you can even transform your phone into a handy gaming controller and play exciting games from Jio Games thanks to My Gamepad. With My Media, play and share photos, music, videos stored across devices with ease. To play or store content, connect USB storage and hard drive storage. Switch your currently playing media content from one player to another, be it TV, mobile or tablet, using the player hopping feature. Whether you're at home, office or outside, you can always access your content remotely. Use the My Network feature to install and manage devices. Check signal quality and IP address of your device. So why wait? Download the Jio Home application on your phone now for an engaging all-round experience.